Good morning, dear students. It is your first period of computer science. Now, in continuation of chapter 3, that is more operations in writer, we are going to discuss the next topics. Students, we can open the bullets and numbering dialog box from format menu also. The role of each icon is shown in this picture. For example, first icon, bullets on or off. It is toggle option and is used to display or hide bullets from the list. Icon 2, numbering on off. It is also toggle option and is used to display or hide numbers from the list. Icon 3, numbering. It removes the number from the list. Icon 4, restart numbering. This option is used to restart the numbering from 1. Icon 5, bullets and numbering. This option is used to open bullets and numbering dialog box. Similarly, you can see there are 14 icons in this dialog box. They have different roles. Now, special characters. A special character is not found on a standard English keyboard. Special characters are those that fall outside the basic alphabet of the language and can include symbols. Less common punctuation, foreign characters, and almost any other letter form. Example, you can see in this picture. These types of symbols are called special characters. Now, how to insert a special character? Place the cursor at the desired position in the document where you want the character to appear. Now, step 2, click on insert and then special character to open the special character dialog box. Or you can select the special character icon from the insert toolbar. Select the character and then click OK. Now, headers and footers. What are headers and footers? Headers are the portion of the document that always appear at the top of a page, whereas footers appear at the bottom of a page. Typically, headers display the title or chapter name of a document, whereas footer are used for page numbering. To insert a header. How can we insert a header? First we click on insert and then click on header and then default as shown in picture. Similarly, we can insert the footer. Choose insert, then footer and then default. Now, how can we insert the document title into the header? Step 1. Select the file, then properties and then description. Enter a title for your document in the title area and then click OK. Step 2. Add a header, insert, then header and then default as we discussed before. Step 3. Place the cursor in the header area of the page. Step 4. Select insert, then fields and then title. The title should appear on the gray background, which is not displayed when the printed area printed and can be turned off. Step 5. To change the title for the whole document, choose File and then Properties and then Description. Now, how can we insert a page number? You can easily insert a page number field in the footer of your document. You can also add a page count to the footer. For example, page 2 to 12, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Choose the insert, then click on footer and then default. Step 2. Insert and then click on fields and then page number. In this way, we can insert a page number. Now, all the students listen and watch the video carefully and try to understand about the topics I discussed above. You can also read from your book. Thank you and have a nice day.